Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find any message in Slack using the free plan search features. First, locate the search bar at the top of your Slack workspace. Click on it to open the search menu. Type any keyword or phrase you're looking for. You can search for specific words, people, or even emoji reactions. To narrow your results, use the filters on the right side. You can filter by channel, person, date, or file type. If you're looking for a message from a specific person, type from @username followed by your search term. Need to find messages in a particular channel? Type in # channel name before your search words. Remember, the free plan shows messages from the last 90 days, so your search will only include recent conversations. You can also search for messages you've starred or saved by using the has, star, or has reminder filters. And that's it. With these search tips, you can quickly find any message or file in your Slack workspace. If these search tricks help you find what you need faster, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.